Hey guys, today we'll learn how to open a Demat and trading account with Alice Blue. So the first thing that you have to do is type aliceblueonline.com on the Google search bar. You will see this screen. Then you have to click on this open account option. As soon as you click on this option, you will find this form on the right hand side of the screen. Fill in the form, add your name here, then type out your email address, your mobile number, then select your state from the drop-down list here. You can check this button here if you want to get regular updates from Alice Blue. Then click on Open Account. You may have received two different OTPs in your phone number and email address as soon as you clicked on this. Fill in the OTP in this blank that you have received via your email ID. Now enter the OTP that you have received in your mobile number in the blank here. Now click on Validate. This thing will now redirect us to the first step of the account opening process. Enter your PAN number here, your birth date. Now again click on Validate. Moving on to the second step of your account opening procedure. After validating the information, you will find this screen where you have to proceed with the account opening process with your Aadhaar card. Click on Click to Proceed. Put a check mark in this box. With this, you give consent to Digilocker to receive all your Aadhaar details and share it with Alice Blue. Now click on Authenticate Aadhaar to do the Digilocker EKYC. You will be redirected to Digilocker. Enter your Aadhaar card number here and then click on Next. You will get an OTP in your mobile number. Write the OTP here. Now press Continue. Click on Allow. So you see your KYC is completed. Now comes the third step. Enter your bank details here. Start with account number. Confirm your account number here by again typing it out. Write your IFSC code here. Click on Validate. In the income proof segment, enter your mobile number here. Choose any one type of income proof from the list given. Upload the file here by choosing from your system. Click on Validate. You will be redirected to the fourth step where you have to add your personal and financial details. Enter your father's name, mother's name, then education. Choose your occupation from the list, gender, marital status, annual income, net worth. Choose your trading experience, the commodity trade, classification, the ledger statement. If you wish to add a nominee, click Yes. If not, click No. If you click No, you can proceed by clicking on Validate. But if you click Yes, you have to add the required details for your nominee. Choose the relationship status of your nominee, its name, mobile number, email address, residential address, district, state, PIN code, PAN number, date of birth. And then upload the PAN card, Aadhaar card front page and Aadhaar back page. Then proceed by clicking on Validate. Click on Capture to submit your live photo to Alice Blue. This is a mandatory step as issued by SEBI. After you click on Capture, you will get a small window where your face will be captured. Allow access to camera notification. After you're done fitting your face to the small screen, click on Capture. Your photo will be submitted. On the right hand side, you will find a box where you have to provide your e-signature. After you're done, click on the Save button. After you have provided your e-signature, select your brokerage plan here. Then select your Demat preference here. Either select POA if you can sign and send a physical copy of POA form, or select EDIS. Now preview all the details that you have entered in the previous step. If all the information is entered correctly, then click on Continue eSign. You see this screen? Click on DGO eSign. Check the terms and conditions. Now click on Proceed to eSign. Check the document and click on Sign Now. Now check the box here. Enter your Aadhaar number in this box. Click on Send OTP and enter the OTP that you have received on your phone number and email ID. You see a message stating that your eSign is completed. Now you can download the PDF by clicking on Download eSign PDF. With this, you are done with the EKYC procedure. Now wait for the verification of the account followed by account activation, and soon after that, you will receive your login details. Thanks.